Every country has its own language and its culture in the world. There is no national language as declared by the Constitution of India. There are 22 officially recognized languages in India, of which Hindi is the most used. The Constituent Assembly of India adopted Hindi as the official language of the Republic of India on the 14th of September 1949. Hindi is used for official purposes such as parliamentary proceedings, judiciary, communication between the central government and the state government. States within India have the liberty and powers of specify their own official language. The national language means that language which most people of the nation can understand. Hindi is undoubtedly the most widely used language in India. The key feature of Hindi is that it is very easy to speak, read and write. Hindi language is the basis of the unity, respect and development of our nation. In Hindi, all the quality exists which should be in national language. Respecting Hindi language is the duty of each person. Our country celebrates Hindi Day on September 14 every year. Hindi Day is used to celebrate for giving the respect and honor to the Hindi language. Hindi language has existed in 150 countries. Every 6th person in the world speaks Hindi or understands. People worldwide love Hindi songs and Hindi, which clearly defines the fondness of this language. Our former PM Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the first Indian who had surprised everyone by giving a speech in Hindi in the United Nations.